Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Professor Xiao. I'm going to briefly talk about midterm exam. The midterm exam is open book and open internet. If you see any inconsistencies in the documents and requirements about exam 1, disregard any inconsistencies in terms of open book and open internet. This video will rule. The exam is individual and independent work. No teamwork, no discussions, no collaborations during the exam. For the specific coverages in this exam in terms of what will be related and how to prepare for it, refer to a review document uploaded to Blackboard about this exam. The date and time for this exam has been sent to you via email, and you have been reminded in several emails. I will continue to send more email reminders in the following weeks up until the exam date. That's it. I wish you good luck in the exam, and let me know if you have any questions.